Let's learn some traits that all the powerful personalities have, and on the basis of these traits, they actually attract or they command respect from others. First is you should be confident but not arrogant. There is a difference between confidence and arrogance. Confidence attracts people and arrogance repels them. So अगर आपको सबसे respect चाहिए, you need to be confident but not arrogant. So if you are genuinely confident and not arrogant, it's a sign that you have a powerful personality that will command respect from others. Second is listening. You should be a good listener. You should listen more than you speak. Listening is often a trait which is underestimated. So it is a key feature of a powerful personality. You should have that ability of being a good listener. Third is you're not afraid to be wrong. Powerful personalities जो होती हैं, they don't shy away from admitting mistakes or from it basically is a sign that shows that you have courage and humility of admitting your own mistakes, and you are a good learner. So being able to admit when you are wrong or when you don't know something, it shows that you value truth. आप truth को value करते हो over your own ego. Fourth, you are a solution finder. Rather than dwelling on the problem, powerful people, they generally try to find out the solution of a particular problem. They take a step back, they take time to analyze the problem, and then they come back with a probable solution. Fifth is you respect others. If you respect others, you will get respect in return. So powerful people respect others because respect is a two-way street. If you want respect, you'll have to give it. So people with powerful personalities, they understand this principle that respect is a two-way street. It is a two-way street. So if you want respect, you need to give it. Sixth, you inspire others. ट्राई टू रिकॉल द पीपल जिन्होंने आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया है. सो यू ट्राई टू इंस्पायर अदर्स, ऑल द पावरफुल पर्सनैलिटीज, not because of their charm or because of their charisma, but they have that ability of touching people's hearts and their minds, and this is how they inspire others. Seventh is they are comfortable with change. Change is the most constant thing in life. So you need to embrace change rather than resisting it. आपको change को resist नहीं करना है. It's a trait that not everyone possesses, and the people who are able to embrace change are actually the powerful people. Eighth, you are comfortable with silence. It is a buzzing word, buzzing with noise and chatter, and silence can be uncomfortable for many people around, but for the people with powerful personalities, silence is not something which has to be filled, but it is something that has to be valued. Silence show karta hai that you take time for yourself, you take time to analyze the situation, you take time for thinking on what's going on, and you understand before you react. So silence is a weapon. It can be the biggest weapon that you can possess. Ninth, you stand up for what you believe in. You have firm faith in your own values, your own personality, and you are not afraid to stand up for your own self. You have a very clear sense of what is right, what is wrong, and you are not easily swayed by the opinions, what other people feel, or by the opinion of others. And finally, you are authentic. Authenticity and powerful personality, these two traits, they go hand in hand. So कोई भी powerful personality बिना authenticity के complete नहीं है. Authentic people are true to themselves. They don't pretend to be someone else. They're just comfortable in their own skin, and they do not end their life in pleasing others. They just have faith in themselves, and that is how they carry themselves ahead. Thank you.